goalposts. Have your feet, bum, shoulders, and head up against the wall. Then you're going to raise your arms to a 90-degree angle between your shoulders and your elbows. Have your elbows and your hands up against the wall. Don't worry, if you can't reach it yet, you will eventually. And then you just slowly raise your arms and then bring them back down. Only a couple inches is all that you need to do. You're going to try to hold your rib cage inwards so it doesn't flare out as you move your arms. So remember, feet, bum, shoulders, and head up against the wall. Contact with the arms as well.